How to fix Samsung Smart TV wireless internet connection issues. Step number 1. Restart your TV and router. Restart the TV. Turn off your Samsung TV, unplug it from the power source, and wait 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. Restart the router. Turn off your router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This can resolve temporary network issues. Step number 2. Check Wi-Fi network connection on the TV. Go to Settings, General, Network Status to see if your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. If it's not connected, select Network Settings and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list and entering the password. Step number 3. Move the router closer to the TV, if possible. Ensure your router is within a reasonable range of your Samsung TV for a stable signal. Remove any large obstacles such as walls or furniture that could be blocking the signal. Step number 4. Check for interference from other devices. Disconnect any other devices that might be using a lot of bandwidth, such as streaming devices or computers, to reduce network load. Avoid using wireless devices near the TV that could interfere with Wi-Fi, such as microwaves or cordless phones. Step number 5. Update TV firmware. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, Update Now to check for and install any available software updates. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Step number 6. Reset network settings on the TV. Go to Settings, General, Network, Reset Network. This will erase your current network settings. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi by going to Network Settings and selecting your network. Step number 7. Manually configure the DNS server. Go to Settings, General, Network, Network Status. Select IP settings and go to DNS server. Change it to 8888, Google's public DNS, and press OK. This can sometimes improve connectivity. Step number 8. Test with a different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Try connecting your Samsung TV to a different Wi-Fi network, like a mobile hotspot, to see if the issue is with your home network or the TV itself. Step number 9. Factory reset the TV, last resort. If all else fails, perform a factory reset on your Samsung TV. Go to Settings, General, Reset. Enter your PIN, default is 0000, and confirm the reset. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network during the setup process.